Did you know Ecuador was home to some of America's oldest civilizations, like the Valdivia culture over 5,000 years ago? This small South American country has a massive history, from ancient peoples and the Inca Empire to Spanish colonization and its independence in 1822. Ecuador is famous for having four distinct worlds in one. First, there's La Costa, the hot tropical coast with vibrant cities like Guayaquil. Then you have La Sierra, the cool Andean highlands, home to volcanoes and colonial cities like Quito. Head east to El Orient, the dense Amazon rainforest, teeming with unique wildlife and indigenous communities. And of course, there are the legendary Galapagos Islands, which inspired Charles Darwin and are a global treasure for biodiversity. With so much variety, from its food and festivals to its people, Ecuador is a nation that truly packs a punch. If you enjoyed this quick trip, be sure to subscribe for more journeys around the globe.